everybody, I have got all of my Jamberry stuff out, and I just bought these from my sale lady. Her name is Libby Kite. I buy all my cute little Jamberry stuff from her. I'll put her website link down below if you're interested in buying some of these for yourself. Alright, this is all the stuff that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be removing the Jamberries from my toenails. Actually, I've had these stickers on for, gosh, I would say probably at least 3 weeks. And please excuse my toenails don't look too great, but we're going to get them all fixed up. These lasted on my toes for, gosh, for a really long time. And I had just painted my other toes green. So this was actually during the holidays. So I'm going to go ahead and be taking all of this stuff off, and I will show you how I remove my Jamberries from my toes. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and take the polish off first. I use these pads. They're like lint-free, not like a regular cotton pad, so you don't get all that fuzzy stuff on there. So I'm just using this just nail polish remover. So we're going to go ahead and get some of that on there. On the toes. I usually will put it on there, kind of soak it. Get the little pad on the toenails and just kind of let that set for a little bit. That'll help that to dissolve off. Okay, I'm going to take all of this toenail polish off, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got all the toenail polish off. I'll go back and I'll trim my toenails and everything, get all that cleaned up before I go ahead and apply more Jamberries and polish them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my heater. So you go ahead and just hit the button to turn it on, and it's gonna get warm. And it's gonna heat this Jamberry up that's on my toe. So be very careful when you're holding it near your toe. We're gonna go ahead and just get it heated up. Usually I'll use just like some tweezers that I have in one of my kids, and then I kind of just will work it from the back and turn it around this way. And also too, it has like this little stand where you can stand it up. Makes it a little handy. So we're just going to heat that up. It doesn't take that long. See how it's starting to, I don't know if you can see that. It's starting to lift right there on the back side. I kind of get it slowly, work the little edges. You can be careful because this thing gets hot so it doesn't burn you. Just lifting right off, just like that. Slowly taking it off. Being careful not to damage my real nail. Just like that. It's off. Okay, I'm going to move to the other two. Again, I'll just heat it up like I did the other one. Because I know before, like when I wear polish, seems like the ends get split and stuff, but normally when I wear the Jamberries, I don't know, I really like them. There it goes. I don't know if you can see that. It's coming right off. It's off. So that's how I take off my Jamberries. So I'm going to use the prep cleaner, get them all cleaned up, probably use a little bit more polish remover. So I have just like a little tiny places of polish to take back off. So I'll go ahead and get my cuticles all cleaned up, toenails trimmed, and then I'll be ready to apply my Jamberries. Hope this inspires you to try Jamberries, and I'll put the link down below where you can buy them from Libby Kite. That's who I get my Jamberries from. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.